Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is COCO FLAN. Yes, that's right. So today, I will be sharing with you how to make another dessert recipe that I know you guys are interested to learn. And yes, I call it COCO FLAN because instead of using evaporated milk, we will use coconut milk to create this delicious flan dessert. So I'm not gonna keep you waiting. Let's check out the ingredients. Eggs, condensed milk, coconut milk, sugar, Calamansi extract, and vanilla extract. enjoy watching this video. And for the complete recipe details, please check on this video description. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any recommendation, just type in a comment below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video. And of course, you can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check more dessert recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And if you wanted to check out MassFlex cookware and kitchenware products, I will add their link on this video description as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
MassFlex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.